At ZETA, we offer two options for the BMRT's configuration. Option A, weld-in flange, and Option B, plug-in flange. The following video depicts Option A BMRT with plug-in flange. With the smallest BMRT in our catalog, you can mix as little as 2 liters of liquids. And with our largest BMRT, you are able to mix up to 150,000 liters. The key benefits of our regular plug-in flange are manifold. Here are 3. Quick O-ring exchange, even in tight spaces. High flexibility for future changes. Easy retrofit, fits existing agitator flanges. The key benefits of our plug-in flange XL are as follows. It allows for the mixing head's removal from below, eliminates the need to enter a vessel for maintenance, makes possible for an overall easier handling during maintenance. Lastly, it's available for all BMRT sizes. Your delivery package should contain the following elements: a plug-in flange, a mixing head, a drive unit, and an operating manual. It needs to be unpacked without using sharp objects to not scratch its surface. Here you can see the plug-in flange's engraving. It consists of the part number, the heat number, and the material code. As a next step, we unpack the mixing head. On it, you'll find a banderole with the production number as well as the lot numbers of the inner and the outer bearing. This number allows for a traceability check of the mixing head and its bearings. The mixing head consists of 3 mixing blades, a magnetic outer rotor, 1 hub, and an outer bearing press fitted into the hub. Finally, let's look at the drive unit. On it, you'll find 2 nameplates, one with ZETA's production information regarding the delivered magnetic agitator. It consists of the following information: product name, type, project number, construction year, weight, tag number, speed range, and serial number. Please note that the project number, the tag number, and the serial number are pertaining to the project for which you've ordered our equipment, and the other nameplate contains technical specifications of the motor itself. Should any questions arise, don't hesitate to contact us directly via the following QR code or email address. Thanks for watching.